etiquettes when dealing with social media. Number one, before you comment or write any post, always purify your intention. Who are you doing it for? For the sake of Allah? Do you want recognition? Do you want praise? Do you want followers? Don't do it. If you're doing it for the sake of Allah, do it without looking behind you. This is the most important, sincerity in everything you do. Number two, you have to avoid publishing or reposting anything you're not 100% certain of. So many times nowadays with the Gaza problems, may Allah grant them victory over their enemies, I get posts and Allahu Akbar, look at the victory. And it's from a video game. Like 20 tanks and it's boom, 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 boom. Come on. What do you think of us, Assim? If they're sucking our thumbs? And Muslims spread this like wildfire. No, don't post anything unless it is what? Authentic and you can verify it. Also, not every true piece of information is okay to publish. Some people come to, oh Sheikh, in this country, this evil act is taking place. And I'd like to highlight and post. What's the use? Oh, because this is evil, Sheikh. What is the use? Come again. But it's true, Sheikh. I know it's true. What is the use? There's no use of it. All the scholars say, whenever you hear of something haram, conceal it and make it hidden. Because the moment you spread haram things, people would accept it. When evil is there, conceal it. Don't spread it. So not everything that you know, you can publish. This is part of the etiquette of such posting. And be careful of your friends. In the beginning, when I had Facebook, everybody asked me to befriend. I take them as a friend. And all of a sudden, on my timeline, I see inappropriate things. What is this? I ask, who's doing this? I said, your friends. I don't have friends like this, but I already have 5,000 friends. What do I do with them? So it's problematic. Don't befriend except those whom you wish to see on the day of judgment, coming with you, leading you to your destiny. And never accept friendship from the opposite gender. Come on, you're a boy. Why are you accepting a sister when she's coming to you? And you're a sister. Why are you accepting a boy? No, unless there is a legitimate halal reason for that. Among the etiquettes, organize your time. Also, be brave. Be courageous. If you make a mistake, apologize. But the unfortunate thing are those who do not verify. Finally, do not, and I repeat, do not repost or like anything that you don't want to see on the day of judgment. A sister posts something, a photograph. So many of the brothers, this like, this thumb, it will burn in hell on the day of judgment. Because you liked something Allah abhors. Likewise, retweeting or reposting. Don't ever do this because this is endorsing it. You are endorsing it and saying to the people that I approve with it, and this would come in your record book. Wallahu a'lam.